How healthy is your data really? Instead of guessing, let me show you how to get an actual score and see where there's a problem. Hey everyone, it's Isi here, day 5 of Automate Your Job. So you know how you always have to check if your data is clean enough, are there any missing values, invalid values, duplicates, nulls? You can have it so much easier. You can have data quality score and it can also show you where there's a problem. Let's jump into it. You've automated your reports, filtered your data, and organized everything beautifully. But how do you actually know your data set is clean? Because if your data is messy, your insights will definitely be wrong. So today we're building a Google Apps script that automatically checks the quality of your data and generates a full report without you having to manually check it. Just looking at this employee data now, you can already spot some issues, but imagine if your data set is really large, which is usually the norm, you won't be able to spot these issues very quickly. That's the reason why we are going to automate this today. This is the script we'll be using. What this script does is that when it runs, you'll see a full audit report. It will show you the total records scanned, the number of issues, and each error listed line by line. And even when the column changes in order, it will automatically detect the data type that is there. So it will highlight invalid emails, duplicate IDs, and missing department depending on your data set. You just need to adapt it to your own data set. So I'll just copy this and then I'll go to ChatGPT. But like I said, you can use any AI model that you prefer. So let's run this. We'll just give it a couple of seconds. It's finally provided the script. I'll just copy the code and I'll go back to Google Sheets. Same thing, extensions, app script. I'll rename this to employee. I'll get rid of this and paste what we have just copied. So let's look at the data again. You can see that the only thing is sheet 1. There's nothing present there. So let's save this to Google Drive and then let's hit run and wait for it to execute. Review permissions. So I just review permissions and then I'll select all and continue. I didn't put the right sheet name, so I left the curly brackets there. So I'll just change that now to sheet 1. Change the name of that column. And then I'll run it again. I'll save first, then run. So it's completed, and let's see what the result is. So it has provided us with a data quality report. It scanned 20 records, which is the total number of rows that we have here. And then the total issues found 30. Then it breaks down the issues: missing value, invalid numeric value, invalid email format, and then it just goes on and on. And we have all the issues encountered. Then we have the breakdown for everything. So we have the row number, the column name, missing value. Let's just check for the row number 3 and see if that's where the problem is. Number 3, this is row number 3. You can see that the name is missing. Then row number 4, we have the age as NA. And if you just go on like that, you see that all the issues that it has provided for us is very much consistent with the quality report it has generated here. And that's day 5, the last video in this Automate Your Job series. Now you can audit your entire data set in minutes. You can find the missing values, duplicates, inconsistent formats, you name it. That's the thing. Sometimes finding the issue can be a lot easier than actually writing a good prompt to clean them automatically. So here's my challenge to you. Try it yourself. I want you to use this report to generate a prompt that would help you with cleaning this. But if you get stuck or your prompt doesn't quite work, put it in the comments and I will make a follow-up video walking you through how to do it properly. But try it first. So you've automated finding the issues. Now you can go ahead to automate cleaning the data set. Don't forget that you can adapt this prompt to your own data set. I know sometimes you might have so many rows of data, a large data set, so just adapt the prompt to your own data set. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, or follow, and I'll see you another time. Bye for now.